Most organizations collect far more information than they can convert into clear choices. Decision makers face noise, duplication, and delays that drain momentum. The competitive advantage now belongs to teams that learn fast, rally around a few decisive metrics, and act in short, repeatable loops. The ideas below explain the foundations, real-time practices, and KPIs that help turn information into strategy that lasts. Data becomes strategic only when people can use it. As Sergio puts it, data only matters when it changes tomorrow's numbers. Nearly every executive claims they want a data-driven culture, yet only a third report real progress. Modernization efforts fail when companies buy tools instead of building culture. A practical path starts small. Set a clear objective, choose the data sets that matter, prepare them once, analyze them in a way anyone can understand, act on the insight, measure the impact, and refine the loop each week. Leaders who follow this cycle gain a structure they can recognize and improve over time. Foundations determine whether strategy scales. Culture and literacy come first. Adoption stalls when only specialists can interpret dashboards. Teams move faster when every manager learns to frame a hypothesis, spot bias, and separate signal from noise. Trust grows when insights are explained in plain language. And with trust comes action. Governance matters just as much. Decisions slow down when multiple versions of the truth compete. So ownership must be clear. Who defines key metrics, who certifies data sets, and who resolves quality issues? Simple guardrails such as dictionaries, lineage, and role-based access reduce duplication and eliminate data debates. Architecture is the third pillar. Silos drain time and resources. A better approach consolidates only what matters and makes governed data easily accessible. Standard models and curated dashboards ensure that finance, operations, and frontline teams work from the same numbers, while security and retention run quietly in the background. Real-time advantage now lives at the edge. Information no longer waits in data centers. Sensors, stores, and devices produce massive flows. Proof shows up across industries. A retail chain combined competitive signals, demand trends, and inventory levels to adjust prices throughout the day while protecting margins. A streaming platform reshaped recommendations by studying dwell time and returns instead of simple play counts, reducing churn. In healthcare, unified quality and cost metrics revealed stubborn gaps, and with shared numbers, ideas moved from pilot to standard quickly. An airline improved fleet allocation and turnaround by harmonizing analytics across subsidiaries. A coffee brand used GIS layers to choose new sites with higher accuracy, accelerating store performance. What unites these wins is not technology, but a chain of custody from question to outcome. Clear objectives, trusted data, fast analysis, confident action, and disciplined measurement. Metrics confirm whether strategy works. Leaders focus on adoption and speed, quality and trust, and business outcomes such as personalization lift, inventory availability, cost per case, operational reliability, and customer retention. Failure patterns repeat when companies rely on tools without literacy, overemphasize history instead of forward indicators, allow bias to shape models, or permit too many versions of final numbers. The antidote is discipline. Smaller data sets tied to real decisions, pre-mortems to expose blind spots, and one certified metric where shared focus is required. Transforming information into strategy is less about algorithms and more about alignment. Set the question, agree on the numbers, shorten the path to action, and prove the impact. That flywheel compounds, and the organization stops guessing.